This is a Lakewood model p223. I cleaned it up and everything. It's not in the best of shape. It's not it doesn't have its original cord right there. I don't know if you can see it. That's not good, but it works. It's see, it's like messed up right there, and in the back as well. There. Everything's original on it except for the cord. There's everything, and I'll start. I don't know what generation it is, but whatever. It's got like one hole right there. But anyway, here is high. Blows a lot of air. Here's medium. And there's low. I could barely hear it on low, but anyway. And there's off. Alright, hope you enjoyed my video.